My name is Kaite Sandra. Welcome to the world of biogas, a renewable energy resource that is revolutionizing the way we think about waste management and energy production. Biogas is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide produced through the anaerobic breakdown of organic matter such as food, animal and plant waste.
With biogas, so we get here, we have animal wastes. This is cow dung. This is cow's urine. So this is a mixer where we mix the cow dung from. So we put a reasonable amount of cow dung that one can mix, and then having put a reasonable amount, we put animal urine. You can use water, but we prefer urine because it also contains some gas or methane, since it is also a byproduct of animal mix. So what she's doing is mixing. So we mix the cow dung until it is porridge-like structure, or until it becomes like porridge. Why? It has to flow from the mixer, as you can see, into the pipe. So this pipe is directly connected to the biogas digester, which is here. It is so big. Its volume is 9 cubic centimeters. So that volume is just enough to produce enough gas that we can use at the production center. Then the biogas digester, it is also connected with another pipe. So this one is another provision for a mixer. If I have a lot of cattle, I can add a second mixer, or I can put a provision of a toilet. So this one can be used in directing human waste from the toilet direct into the biogas digester. So what takes place here is the anaerobic breakdown of the mixture of cow dung which has been mixed. So this is where we get our products of biogas, that is methane gas. So here we have the taps. So this tap, once it is open, the gas can come out through the pipe, through these pipes. So this is a filter bottle. It has got filters that filters the gas. We know this gas might come with some moisture, so it is filtered so that it doesn't cause rusting at the stoves. Then it is directed through the pipe to the production house. Then we have this one. It's like a soak pit or a seal-off tanker. It seals off the other biogas digester. It prevents the escape of the gas from the other side. So what collects here mainly is the manure called the bioslurry. So this one, it doesn't even smell. It is ready manure which a farmer can take to the garden, apply directly to the vegetables, to banana, and so this one is like a soak pit. This one. of the biosirale. So if I want to collect, this is the collecting point. I collect from here. It should be a routine daily. Why? This biosirale shouldn't flow back to the biogas digester. Why? It will cause, it will reduce the space of the gas, thus the malfunctioning of the system. Back to the products of biogas. Here we have biogas light or biogas lamp. So you open the tap, then the biogas starts coming, then I ignite, then it has started lighting. It starts lighting. So just that light is just enough to provide light in a room. So the biogas that is directed through the biogas digester is brought through the pipe to the production house. So this one is a soak pit or a junction or a provision for another connection. So I can connect another home using this junction. So this is the tap. I can connect another pipe to another production center, and they also benefit from the biogas. Then so it is also, as you can see, it is entering into the production house. The other pipe you saw outside directly brings the gas. So this is a pressure gauge that I use to measure the amount of gas that I am producing from the other side. So this is like the switch I use to switch on the gas. It is filtered and measured from here. Then when I open this tap, the gas starts coming. So I get a matchbox, I light, so the fire will come, as you can see. So we shall start cooking. So it is gas. We are cooking, doesn't produce any smoke. So it is eco-friendly, doesn't pollute even the environment. So I can reduce, I can increase.